How do reusable rockets achieve vertical takeoff and landing? Imagine a rocket launching straight up into the sky and then coming back down to land in the same spot. It might sound like science fiction, but this is now a reality thanks to advanced rocket technology. Reusable rockets use a combination of smart engineering tricks to do this. When they lift off, their main engines produce enough thrust to push the rocket against gravity. These engines can change the direction of their thrust using thrust vectoring, which helps steer the rocket during ascent. They also can adjust their power levels through throttling, giving precise control over speed and direction. Once the rocket reaches its mission point, the first stage separates and begins its return journey. During descent, the rocket uses retropropulsive landing, which means reigniting some engines to slow down. This controlled slowing is essential to make sure the rocket doesn't crash or bounce upon landing. To stay on course, the rocket relies on navigation and guidance systems that use sensors like inertial navigation and GPS. These systems tell the onboard computers exactly where the rocket is and how fast it's moving, so they can adjust engine thrust and steering accordingly. Aerodynamic control surfaces, such as grid fins, play a big role during the descent. These small, lattice-like wings help steer the rocket through the atmosphere by redirecting airflow, giving it stability and control. As the rocket gets close to the ground, it deploys landing legs that act as shock absorbers. These legs absorb the impact and keep the rocket upright. The engines then throttle down to gently touch down, often on a landing pad or a drone ship floating in the ocean. Reaction control systems, which are small thrusters, help keep the rocket steady during the final moments of descent, especially in space or high in the atmosphere where aerodynamic surfaces are less effective. All these systems work together to make vertical takeoff and landing possible. This technology allows rockets to be used again, saving money and reducing space debris. SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy first stages are perfect examples, routinely landing on drone ships or pads. Blue Origin's New Shepard vehicle also performs vertical landings. These innovations are making space travel more affordable and sustainable than ever before.